All right, you guys, I am finishing up here, just putting some honey right down on my baking sheet. Oh yeah, baby. Then you wanna grab yourself a stick of butter, and I'm gonna place, I don't know, I would say about 2 to 3 pats of butter you're gonna place right on top of that honey. We are making a delicious spring treat, you guys. I don't know whether you're gonna have this for dessert or breakfast. Once you figure out what we're doing here today, you can share with me your thoughts. I would love to have this, I would say, with a cup of tea. I don't know, maybe a cup of coffee, which reminds me, are you team coffee or team tea? I don't know. What do you like better? I'm more of a tea drinker, but every once in a while I do like some good coffee. Okay, that looks great. Now I have some brown sugar right here. I'm gonna sprinkle some of this right over top. Now it doesn't have to be perfect. You can see that I'm just making a little bit of this light layer just sprinkled on top of that butter. It's gonna pair together so delicious as that butter melts along with that honey, you guys. We are making a really sweet glaze that is gonna go perfect with where we're going next. I am gonna add some chopped pecans right on top of this mountain here. I'm just gonna put a few. Now this is definitely optional. You don't have to keep the pecans on there, but I think that once again, they're just a great complement of flavor. And not to mention, I do like a little bit of texture, right? It's kind of nice to have a little bit of a crunch here. I'm gonna put just a little bit more there and there. Perfect. All right, we are gonna load them up now with some peaches. I'm gonna put some peaches right on here. Now, I'm gonna use these trusted peaches because I know that they are gonna be juicy and fabulous. And in fact, you guys, I ended up getting 4 large peaches. I thought that they were juicy, and I cut into every single one of them, and they were rotten. So I am going with the can of peaches. Now, tell me, when you are at the store, oh, look at that, guys, a slippery guy right there. When you're at the store and you go to choose your peach, how do you make sure that it's the right one for you? How do you know it's ripe and not rotten in the middle? Because I swear they looked good, but now these look even better. So I'm layering up a nice layer of peaches. I'm going with 3. Of course, that's totally a personal thing, you guys. If you can fit more on top there, be my guest. You can totally add more. This big jar is definitely enough here for these 6 that I'm working with. Oh yeah, these flavors coming together are just gonna be phenomenal. I love peaches too. Nice and juicy. Here we go. So we're gonna seal in the deal here with some puff pastry. Now here, I'm gonna show you. You open it up, right? It has 3 sections. It makes it really easy. So you can just go ahead and cut that right in half. Oops, we just lost that guy here. No big deal, right? Everything's messy, you guys. Life is messy. And look at that. We're just gonna pull that right apart, easy peasy, and we're gonna slap it right there on top. Oh yeah. You guys, when this honey cooks on this baking sheet along with these peaches and the brown sugar, it is going to knock your socks off. You guys are gonna love this. Okay, so I have 2 more pieces here that I'm just gonna seal in these peaches with of our puff pastry. Yeah, all right, now I'm gonna go around the outside and I'm gonna make sure that we've got these all locked in. So if it starts juicing out the side, no big deal, right? It's all gonna be so delicious. So you just wanna spread the dough over the top of all of those peaches and that delicious stuff that we just piled on to our baking sheet. These look fabulous. Of course, if you wanna use a fork, you can. I'm just gonna use my hands here. That looks great. Now I'll top it off with a little bit of melted butter with my really long brush here. And I'm just gonna brush it on the top. This is like an obnoxiously long butter brush, but you know what? It gets the job done, right? So we're gonna brush some butter on the top. It's just gonna make that puff pastry nice and golden brown, and it is going to be so delicious. Just kind of a little professional look to it that we're putting on top here, you guys. It might not look like much now, but when we turn these guys over after they are done baking, you are going to be in love. Not only are they gonna look fabulous, but they are going to taste taste fabulous too. All right, look at that. We are good with some brushed butter, and we are ready to stick these in the oven, you guys. We are gonna put them on 350. They're gonna cook for between 12 and 15 minutes, and stick around. I think you're gonna love this one. I have been patiently waiting for these, and I cannot wait to give them a go, you guys. I cannot wait to turn them over. That is the true moment right there. So I'm gonna see if I can do this where I can just line up my cutting board just like so and give it a little flipperoo. Okay, oh yeah, baby, I can tell. They are looking fabulous. I'm just gonna line them up here because I want the ultimate reveal here. Oh, look at that. Look at the way that the butter and the honey cooks along with those peaches and those pecans. Wow, that looks phenomenal. Yes. Home run, I already know. Not to toot my own horn or anything, but you've got to make these. Holy cow. I'm going in for this one right here in the front. It looks perfect. That glaze and those peaches, and we have those pecans. Oh, wow. The fluffiness of the puff pastry, all of the things. You know what, I'm gonna go in from this corner so I can get a really big piece of that peach.
Juicy peach.
Juicy peach is right. With those pecans, the honey, the butter, the brown sugar. Yeah. Wow. Amazing. I knew it. Not only do they look fabulous, but they taste fabulous too. I hope you guys love this. Let me know if you're gonna switch anything up. If you're gonna give this a try, I would highly recommend it, but I don't know, maybe you're changing up the fruit. I'm not really sure. You tell me in the comments, you guys. We'll see you later. Enjoy.